Hi guys, so I'm gonna play Dandy's World Mukbang. Let's start as a poppy. Okay, let's start. I choose stage 1. Wow, many colorful candies. Let's eat it, poppy. Let's eat it. Num 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 num. Why did you angry? Why did you angry? I saw you. You saw me. Bruh, I did it. I just give you a lot of candies. You want more? Wait. Oh, meat and french fries. I like them. But I'm Christian. Okay. Eat, 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 eat. Eat. You're full now? Yeah, Poppy is now full. Now we have Tisha. No, I don't want chili sauce or see. Will be so spicy. Eat, 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 eat. Normal sushis. Drink pop. Okay. Wait, who brought McDonald's and why did McDonald's have nuggets? Why not burgers? Why? French fries looks good. What the? Okay, I'm not gonna say that very bad word. Okay, you're full now, Tisha? Yeah, you're full now. Now I'm gonna play this part next time. Bye.